Hi, this is Shankar and welcome to the 6th edition of Bulls Corner. Market has welcomed yesterday's historical budget with a strong note. And today, the 2nd of February 2021, I am going to give my views on Trident. Trident is engaged in manufacturing, trading and selling of textiles, mainly yarns, bed sheets and terry towels. They are also into papers and chemicals. It is the flagship company of US $1 billion Indian business conglomerate and global player Trident Group, headquartered in Ludhiana. The company is one of the largest exporters of home textile products with a significant market share with a global presence of more than 100 countries. Stock is currently trading at around 14 with a market capitalization of 7,200 crores, trading at 2.25 times its book value. Under financial grounds, company is taking initiative to reduce its debt and managed to bring down its debt to 895 crores from more than 1,700 crores last year. Strong core business is helping Trident to generate strong operating cash flow. After a dismal first quarter, Trident has seen a strong performance in second as well as third quarter financial year 2021, and the same trend is expected to continue in coming quarters as well. The promoters as well as FAs and FPAs are increasing their stake consistently. However, the company has delivered a poor sales growth of around 5% over the past 5 years. Textile industry, after the lifting of COVID-19 lockdown restrictions, has seen a strong revival in demand, led by various factors including government stimulus, focus towards health and hygiene, and work from home. Globally, textile market is expected to recover and grow at a CAGR of 7% from 2021 and reach $795 billion by 2023. India is among the world's largest producers of textile and apparels. The domestic textile and apparel industry contributes 2.3% to India's GDP and accounts for 13% of industrial production and 12% of country's export earnings. India has also become the second largest manufacturer of PPE in the world. More than 600 companies in India are certified to produce PPE today, whose global market worth is expected to be over $92 billion by 2025, up from $52 billion in 2019. The Mitra scheme proposed in current budget is planned to create world-class manufacture infrastructure for global champions in textile sector, leading to creation of 7 textile parks over 3 years, and all these factors are going to get Trident one of the major beneficiaries. Company has healthy lineup of order book for the next 6 months, which the management expects the demand to sustain for going forward. The management unveiled Vision 25 Bihar, formulated with the aim of unlocking long-term sustainable value for shareholders by achieving revenue of Indian rupees 250 billion by calendar year 2025 with 12% bottom line. Vision 2025 would accelerate the growth momentum. However, we need more clarity on how the management will achieve its set vision. Technically, stock at the rate of 14 is trading above its 50, 100 and 200 day moving average, along with a bullish RSI at the rate of 62. With that, I conclude my views on Trident Limited. The information provided here is purely for education purpose. Before taking any investment decision, I request you to please consult your investment advisor and take an informed investment decisions. Thank you.